Tipra Motha procession and meeting held at Kowaifang Bazaar on Thursday. 70 voters from 20 families left the various party and joined the Tipra Motha party. The party members welcomed the new voters by handing over the party flag. Today, in order to quickly realize the three-point demand, Jolaibari Tipra Motha senior leader Narayan Riang held a rally at Kowaifang Bazaar of Jolaibari Assembly constituency. The leadership organized a huge procession and market meetings. The three main demands were to identify and expel illegal infiltrators from Tripura, to implement the demand for Greater Tipra land very quickly, as well as to implement the tripartite agreement. The procession passed through various towns in Kowaifang Bazaar and finally met at a meeting at the Kowaifang Bazaar Community Hall. During this meeting at the Kowaifang Community Hall, 70 voters from 20 families left the various parties and joined the Tipra Motha party. The newcomers were welcomed into the party by Tipra Motha Party Central Committee Vice President Shihanumok Chaudhary, MDC Debojit Tripura and others. After the procession and meeting, Tipra Motha senior leader Narayan Riang and various leaders of Tipra Motha distributed 200 risas among the tribal women of 5 neighborhoods of Kowaifang ADC village with their own hard-earned money.
Really, Mulata, senior Guri Rona, Bobagra, I don't know Bobagra, Sob Summer, Buma bottle on a priority row, senior of Buma bottle of Kavana, Tongo, Sini Guri, Tongo, Yaksugia, Tongo, Rakuri, by name, Amnas and Sini, Lidani, or missing they contribute, Hayazing, Isabisa, Avakuna, Edisini, Sapuja, and Edisini Rangamaya, Abasini leader to contribute, self contribute, Hayas, Buma bottle on a Sanida, Dushota, ignite pirate. In some this family in some French talk to tap somewhere. Abusing already seen a moon tones, some way high, hack, some about Hyria, some had the government in it, these tones and about Manhangan or
Bobo party ni borok.
Our common party in the Borok, our DCP, and the Borok origin to Alliance partner, I-15 Alliance partner, our Senaro Borok, some Abonos joining Haya, and Sudo, Congress by Sipini, or a son joining.
The people of Kowaifang area are happy to see such a generous mentality of the Tipra Motha leaders towards the common helpless people. Bureau report Chini Khorang.